Hi everyone, my name is Rusty. Today, I want to show you how you can use Microsoft Flow Power Automate. Before you run off, it sounds like a complicated name. Stick around because with Power Automate, you can simplify your life, and then cut down on the number of manual tasks that you do in your life. If you are the type of person that uploads a video on YouTube and to other different online platforms, Microsoft Flow is the solution to make your life easier. With Microsoft Flow, without complications and further coding, this Microsoft Flow simplifies the tasks. Streamline repetitive tasks and paperless processes with Microsoft Power Automate so you can focus your attention where it's needed most. With Microsoft Flow, you can integrate an automation from your Red triggering app to other applications with no sweat at all. You can design from the available existing flows or you can start from the scratch. Turn outdated to automated. Automate time-consuming manual tasks with built-in AI capabilities, giving you more time to focus on strategic, high-value opportunities. Build time-saving workflows into everything from individual tasks to large-scale systems with seamless integration using hundreds of trivial connectors. Gaining a competitive advantage by linking all your data with Microsoft Flow. This is the key element to streamline several activities into one. With Flow, you can easily automate multiple tasks. You can just click on the create an option or just start from the scratch. As you can see, there are existing flows template you can follow. At the bottom, you can also start a new flow from a service, or an app, or what's called a connector. You could start from there, so let's go back up to the top, and I'm gonna walk through some of the different ways you can start a new flow. The first way is an automated flow, and this is what we just did with YouTube. That's called an automated flow. Essentially what that means is, anytime some trigger occurs, so in this case, if you uploaded a video to YouTube, Flow will take some action, based on the flow you created. Let us jump in. You can start from a blank automated flow. You could also start off with just a blank automated flow, so if you click on this you can name it, and maybe you can call this YouTube to Twitter flow. If you started from a scratch, well, in this case, the trigger connector is your YouTube. You can see, there are different triggers that are available. For this video, you can make a flow only if you signed into YouTube and Twitter at the same time. You need to ensure that you are both connected to these services. It is very important to create a flow that whenever you are going to upload a video from YouTube, being the triggering flow, videos will be automatically uploaded in your Twitter account. You can create a flow depending on your strategy. Your uploaded video in YouTube will be simultaneously uploaded in Facebook, depending on your Red applications. This flow is known as the Power Automate of Microsoft. It just created your very first flow now. You can also check and see all the flows that you created on the left side. You can see all the list view of all the flows you created like a 28-day run history. With Flow, you can also turn on or off your flow if you want to take a break with your Twitter or vice versa. As you can see, there are different types of content that you can pull in one thing. You could even do, let's say that, when you uploaded a video on YouTube, not only you wanted to post a tweet, but maybe you want to have it send out an email to certain people, or maybe you wanted this to be posted in your Vloggers Academy group or in your Zombies community in a Facebook post. You could go ahead, and you just have to add additional steps. Based on your action, you can post or modify a tweet by saying, check my YouTube channel and look what I have uploaded. I could modify what the tweet text is, and inserts a link to the video. If I click into the text box, I see some other dynamic content that I could also include as part of the tweet. Likewise, I can include unfound post and personalized email. Enjoy the power automate that Microsoft Flow brings. It will tremendously help and create a big difference to our daily lives. Create your story. Make a difference. Don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe. There will be more blessings that will come.